let me show you something.
Put that down.
Okay, now, why did YouTube ban Chiraco for that? God knows. I don't even get YouTube anymore. I think they're starting to lose their fucking minds if they honestly think that they're about to ban people for a video game or something that happens in the video game. So I've decided I'm going to do the exact same thing and kill an innocent person and kill another innocent person and then, teabag another person. Just for you, YouTube, to see what you do. Your ball. Okay? Your ball. Time to make the touchdown. Come on, YouTube. Step your goddamn game up and stop being a bunch of assholes.